Hi, I'm Chun Yuan Lin. So I'm going to share the data that could be collected to this data set and how I visualize this. So from this data set, we could see that the salary and total compensation of each executive in each company is clearly shown. So we have lots of information about executive pay, but we have lack understanding of firm performance. So here's what I have found to expand information of firm performance. So one of the decent way to know firm performance is to know the annual stock price and the financial data. So we can collect it from Google Finance or Yahoo Finance. So from there, we could easily find the information of each company listed in the provided data set, which is we can check on the ticker here. So for example, when we check on the Abbott Laboratories, we could see the price change through years. And also, if we want more data, we can have the revenue, net incomes, and the profit into our data set to show the firm performance. And I realized that the company list in the provided data set was nearly the same as company in S&P 500. And therefore, we could take S&P 500 as a reference. So here we can see the stock price of the S&P 500. We can record it down into our data set. And also we could see the change of each, the price change of each company listed in the S&P 500 here, and also the volume. And this is a bigger version of the line chart of the S&P 500. So we could collect the data by using Python scraping or recording down, typing it down manually, or using other ways. So this is for the data collection part. So for the visualization part, I have made a interactive dashboard about it. So we have the title here, and also the chart here, and also we're having the filters here. So for the filters, we have the tickers, which is the company's name in a stock market. And when we click on AAPL here, we could have a name and its key over here. And this is the executive full name. We could click on it to see to change the name and also the year of the data. And here we could see what's the line means by checking the colors here. So we first on the pie chart. So for the pie chart, we could see that the salary proportion of each executive in ABT, this company. So bigger slice means the person have more salaries, and the pie chart is sequenced from high salaries to low. So when we slice through one of the employees, one of the slides, we could see the employees' basic information and its salaries, its total compensation, and also its percentage change. So next we check on the line curve here. So when we check on the line chart, we could see the salaries and total compensation of every executives in a company. So compared to the pie chart, we could see it has a better visualizations on showing the summation of the value, such as the salary and the total compensation sum of 3 years. So it's interesting to see that not always the person having a higher total compensation will having a higher salaries. So they are not always positive. And this curve here, we could see through the curves by checking the people here. So this curve shows the total compensation percentage change of the person here. So we can understand the percentage change by changing the filters here. So each people have different years. Some people doesn't have it. And some people having a different years because there's the year is saying that each company is different. Yeah, you can see it by click at all the years here. And for the two bar charts here, it's basically showing the salaries and average salaries of executive in each company. So when we click the salaries in descending order, we can see that usually the companies with higher sum of the salaries will have a higher average, but not always, just like this. So blue means highest value and orange means lower. So this having a higher salary but lower average, which means they're probably having a more employees here. So for the heat map here, we could see the total compensation, average total compensation, and also the average total compensation percentage change here. So it's very interesting to see that the trend of the total compensation and percentage is not the same. So just like the bar chart, blue means higher value of all companies, and orange means lower. So if we click the percentage change in descending order, we could see that Tesla, TSLA, having a crazy high percentage change, but the total compensation of some of it and average is below average. So which means that even though they are all representing total compensation value, but the trend of those data are highly different. And these are all my analysis. Thank you. Stop recording.